We had a vision, and we stuck to that vision. We were gonna fight for that. Every single day, stay disciplined, stay consistent, stay focused. And it's that passion, that belief, that dedication that's been alive and driving us to get out there and touch people's lives. That's the vision. And that vision is evolving every day, and to be able to live that vision. It's not about what you get, it's about what you contribute to others. Who you become that allows you to live a fulfilled life.